Hey yo everybody! Welcome back to Easy English. Today we're learning some super cool English phrases. We're talking about those little gems that'll make people say, wow, their English is fantastic. We've got 20 of these awesome phrases lined up for you. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic. What's up? It's just a casual way to say, hey, what's going on? Or how are you doing? Next time you see your friend, instead of just saying hi, try what's up and see what they say. Ever run into someone you haven't seen in ages? Instead of just, hey, how are you? You can bust out long time no see. It shows you recognize them and you're happy to see them, even if it's been a while. You're running behind schedule, traffic's a nightmare, and you're just hoping you haven't missed that important meeting. But hey, even if you do roll in a little late, remember, better late than never. It's all about looking at the bright side. So, you aced that test without breaking a sweat? That's amazing. You just gotta tell everyone it was a piece of cake. You know, like it was no big deal at all. It means something is super easy, almost effortless. Like if someone asks you to help them move a tiny little box, or do a simple task, you can be like, piece of cake. It's a fun way to say it was really easy for you. Now, this one might sound a little strange at first. Break a leg is our way of saying good luck. So, if your friend has a big audition or a job interview, hit them with a break a leg. Life can throw some curveballs our way, right? Sometimes you just gotta put on your game face and power through. And that's when you need to hear, hang in there. It means don't give up. Alright, time to get serious for a minute. We're talking about studying, folks. It's that time when you need to focus and really put in the effort. Instead of saying study, let's spice things up with hit the books. It's a fun way to say you need to get down to some serious learning. It means to dive headfirst into those textbooks, immersing yourself in the material. So if you've got a big exam coming up, it's time to hit those books and make sure you're prepared. Good luck! Have you ever had a friend who just needed to vent? Well, that's when you say, I'm all ears. It means I'm listening, tell me everything. It shows you're present, you're engaged, and you're ready for all the juicy details. Ever had something kind of crummy happen, but then it turned out to be a good thing? That, my friends, is a blessing in disguise. It means something that seems bad at first can actually have a positive outcome. You've been working hard, putting in the hours, and you're just about ready to drop. Well, that's your cue to say, let's call it a day. It means, all right, we've done enough for now, time to relax. Feeling a little sniffly? Got the chills? Sounds like you might be under the weather. It's just a way of saying, I'm not feeling well. So brew yourself some tea, get some rest, and remember, this too shall pass. Ever had a situation where the decision rests entirely on someone else? Well, that's when you say, the ball is in your court. It's like saying, it's up to you now. Okay, this one's for all you procrastinators out there. Sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet and do it. It means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation head-on, even if you don't want to. You know how some people say one thing but do another? Because remember, actions speak louder than words. It means what you do matters more than what you say. We all have those moments where we feel like we're about to lose it, but that's when you gotta dig deep and pull yourself together. It means to regain control of your emotions and calm down. All right, gossip time. You know that juicy secret you're dying to share? Well, go ahead and spill the beans. Feeling exhausted after a long day? Time to hit the sack. It's a more fun way of saying go to bed. So fluff those pillows, put on your comfiest pajamas, and get ready for some sweet dreams. Oops, did you accidentally reveal a surprise? Sounds like you let the cat out of the bag. Got something important you need to watch carefully? Then you better keep an eye on it. Last but not least, let's spread some positivity. If someone did something awesome, tell them you rock. It's like saying you're amazing, but way cooler. That's a wrap for today, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this session and found it helpful. We just learned 20 awesome English phrases that you can start using right away. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep revisiting these phrases to make them a natural part of your vocabulary. So don't be shy. Use these phrases in your daily conversations and watch your English skills soar. The more you use them, the more confident you'll become. Until next time, keep practicing and keep rocking that English. Stay motivated and keep pushing your limits. See you soon.